subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon to get the latest tech updates from TechSole Blog.
The LG has launched its new mid-range smartphone in South Korea under Q series called LG Q51, and it looks quite similar to LG K50s smartphone that was launched back in September last year. Talking about the specifications, the LG Q51 supports a 6.5-inch HD Plus full vision display with water drop notch, and it has thick bezels around the edges. Under the hood, the phone is powered by MediaTek's Helio P22 chipset paired with PowerVR GE8320 GPU. The device packs with 3GB of RAM and 32GB of internal storage that can also be further expandable up to 2TB via microSD card slot. As per the camera, the LG Q51 features triple camera setup on the rear, which includes a 13MP main camera accompanied by 5MP ultra-wide-angle lens and a 2MP depth sensor. On the front, there is 13MP camera under the notch for selfies and video calling. In terms of software, the handset runs on Android 9 Pie out of the box, and it comes equipped by 4000 mAh battery. Additionally, the smartphone features an rear-mounted fingerprint sensor for authentication, and it also has a dedicated Google Assistant button on the left side. The connectivity option on the phone includes 4G, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth 5.0, GPS, NFC, 3.5mm headphone jack, and a USB Type-C charging port. There is also a stereo speakers on the phone and supports DTS X 3D surrounded sound system. The physical dimensions of the smartphone measures at 166.9 by 77.9 by 8.4 millimeters, and it weighs around 204 grams. For durability, the LG Q51 has passed US military standard 810G. Now, talking about the pricing and availability details. The LG Q51 is now available for purchase in South Korea at 317,000 Korean won, and it will be available in frozen white and moonlight titanium color options. So, what do you guys think of this LG Q51 smartphone? Do let us know in the comment section below, and stay tuned to TechSole Blog YouTube channel for more tech updates. Thanks for watching. We'll see you guys in our next video.